Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Roche. Welcome to Beauty Max. So in today's video, what I'm gonna be reviewing is this product from Maybelline. This time an eyebrow. I haven't really reviewed anything about an eyebrow chuva an eyebrow gel or anything like that, or powder. This is my first time to review it. This is the new tattoo studio. You cannot read. I have my magnifier. This is a tattoo studio waterproof brow gel. Okay, this is in a color shade deep brown, which is 260, and this is 0.23 fluid ounce. Okay, I forgot how much is the price for this, but I'm gonna leave it in the description box how much I bought it. And I think I bought it in Walgreens when I was in America. And so there is some description here on what you're gonna do with your brow. So what I did is just what I usually do with my brow. If you want to know what my thoughts about this product, then please keep on watching. So this product comes with this, only a spoolie. When you open it up, okay, it's only gonna be a small brush, right? It's just perfect for really defined brow. This is my natural brow with nothing on it. So what I'm gonna do, I will get my flat definer brush. For me, I really do love to use a flat definer since I'm lazy and I need a quick one, and I feel like having a flat brush is easy for me to distribute the product. It dry up so fast that you really have to work very fast. Otherwise you can have some patchiness in here or unevenness on the eyebrow, and as well as your brush, it will dry up fast. Now I'm gonna use the brush to run all the sparse area to make it really even. Portion right there. Okay, dip in your brush and then go over. Leaving on the inner part here, we don't want a very harsh brow, so we are going to use this spare spoolie here and just run through it in the middle. It will dry up so fast that there's really like an evenness on your brow, especially if you don't really have a full brow like mine. It's not really that full. So now you can see here, it's now empty, right? So you really have to go over again to make sure you can get the pigment out there, so you can see. I'm not really liking it the way the brows are, so this is it. I will just gonna clean up my brow with a concealer and I'll be right back. So for my review for this brow, I was so excited because this was reviewed by the most popular or the most famous review guru is Tati. Yes, Tati Westbrook. So she reviewed on this product and she had really have a good high rating on this product from Maybelline, so I was kind of excited to try it out. This is good for 2 days, but in my experience, on the second day there was only a few left on my brow because I have sparse brows and thin. My brows is not really full defined, not so much brow, not so much hair, sparse, so problematic. The first day I used this same thing with a clip that I just did, which I'm using a flat definer brush and just put the product on it and then spread it with my brow, defining the arch. I draw my brow the way I wanted it. Okay, so that's what I do. It dries fast on the brush. There will be some parts on your brow that it will have some dry areas. You will have a hard time spreading the product out evenly, and so with my case, with my sparse brows and thin areas, it didn't really give me like even brows, like natural brows that I really wanted to. On the first day it is okay, like this one right here is full, right? And yeah, it looks nice, and when you touch it, well, right now it's a little bit sticky, but as soon as it dries it will not really leave any marks. It's lightweight, it doesn't really bother me anything. There's no itchiness on my eyes or anything like that. If we're gonna talk about allergies, if I didn't get any, so I am liking it that way. The color shade is perfect for me. This is dark brown, I have dark hair, so this is perfect. The only claims is that it only lasts for 2 days. No, I didn't. Do I like to keep on using it? Yes. For me, this brow to really work, put a powder or any eyeshadow or any brow powder first, and then go over with a flat definer brush with some product on it and spread the product along with the brows that I already draw, so, or already filled up, or already filled in. So I think that's the way how this thing would work for my brows. With the price, packaging, the weight, and the color pigmentation on the eyes, I don't really have a problem with it. I mean, it's still a good brow gel, compared to the brow gel that I did use before. I didn't have it here. It was the CoverGirl, but for the CoverGirl and for this brow gel, well, this is a tattoo style, so it would really have a bit more pigmentation on the brows. The CoverGirl and the Maybelline, I will go for Maybelline. And for a drugstore, that's a really good deal. I don't know about the Nyx because they have it too, but maybe I could do a side-by-side probably battle on that. If you would want me to, then I would, but I'm gonna find it here. Performance, nah. For the claim that it says for 2 days, no. But for any other brows to compare it, it's still a good gel. For waterproof, I didn't really tested it, like washing my face and then see, like, doesn't really, like, if you wash your face with just the water and doesn't really, and you don't really have to touch your brows, will it really how do you call that, will it melt to the water, or it will just combine with water? I don't know, I haven't seen it. So this is my review on the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. If you like this kind of video, like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Okay, it's time for me to go. Until next time, bye! Here in the bathroom, okay, let's see and figure out if this thing would work or what. Okay, bathroom. Okay, here we go. Smudge. Nag-smudge ba siya? Hindi naman siya nag-smudge. Waterproof talaga siya, guys. Smudge ba? Wala siya. Okay siya, guys. So I guess this is good when you wanna go on a beach and you just wanna wear like your eyebrows, especially especially you don't have much brows and your brows are too like skinny. Still, there's still a portion that's been taken out, or because I keep on rubbing it. But if you just leave it like the way it is, and then if you submerge yourself in water, I think it's gonna be